Hi guys, JaiyCee here again for another video, and today's garden topic is a succulent and cactus unboxing as well as a how-to pot up. Alright, let's get started. The first one, if I'm not mistaken, should be the Variegated Euphorbia Candelabra. Before I continue, I'm actually gonna go get some gardening gloves because this is actually kind of prickly. Ta-da! Holy cow. People often mistaken these as cactuses, but they're actually succulents. Look at that variegation. All right, I'm gonna set this one aside. This next one should be the Santeria Optoma Prickly Pear Cactus. I ordered 3 pads unrooted. Oh my goodness. The seller was kind enough to warn me that it has thorns. All right. So anytime you're unboxing cactuses, it is very important to wear protective gloves as the thorns may have shifted during shipping. So you never know what you're gonna get into, so it's always safe to use caution. Holy moly. Here's one. Okay, where to put this? Be right back. Ah! Almost got poked. Ever so gently. Wow, she actually gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She actually gave me 6 pads. And I only ordered 3, so yay! The seller threw in quite a few more as a bonus. Now, how do I get them out? Oh my goodness. So all in all, I got 6 pads when I only ordered 3. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you how to pot up unrooted cactuses. The first thing you'll want to do before potting up your cuttings is make sure that they have calloused over. The potting ratio that I like to use is 2 parts soil to 1 part perlite. I'm also going to pot them up in terracotta, so I went ahead and pre-soaked it. Here we go. Going to use a screen mesh because there's a very large opening at the bottom of the pot. Now I'm going to wet the soil until the water drains through the bottom of the pot. Now that the soil and pot is ready, time to prep the cutting. What I like to use when I'm working with cuttings is root growing hormone. If you guys want to know where you can pick this one up, I'll leave a link in the description below. All right, so what you'll want to do here is to wet the bottom of the cutting and then dip it into your root growing hormone. Now make a small indentation in the soil and then firmly push your cutting down into the soil, about 2 to 3 inches deep. Make sure to pack the soil around the cutting nice and firm. And there you have it. Now that my variegated Euphorbia Candelabra is nicely potted, I'm going to follow the same steps with the prickly pear cactus. Now that the cuttings are potted up, there's no need to water it again till after 4 to 6 weeks, which is about the amount of time that the cuttings will take to root. Also, you'll want to place them in a spot that gets bright, indirect light. Well guys, there you have it, and as always, thanks again for watching. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. All the links are down below. When I'm not shooting videos, I am posting pictures, as there's always something new growing in the garden. And until next time, bye!